So in my last video, I showed some of the new sewing tools that I purchased recently. And in this video, there's one product that I want to test out and see if it actually works. So I'm gonna open the product and show it to you and demonstrate it and see if it does what it says that it will do. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so one of the products that I purchased online at Amazon was this Washaway Thread, and what it said that it would do in the description is that you can spray it after you baste a stitch with it or baste a seam with it. You can spray the thread and it will wash away. You can put it in a washing machine and it'll wash away. Or it said in the description on Amazon that you can actually even press or iron the thread and it would go away that way. So I was like, okay, that's very interesting. So I still have the thread in the package. The package is open a little bit. It came this way, but the thread has not been used. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and thread a bobbin and get that bobbin going, and then I'll come back and show you how it works, and hopefully it'll work. This will be my first time giving it a try, so we'll see together. All right, I will be right back. Okay, so here I am, I'm at my machine and I have it all threaded up. I decided to use a black thread in the top. Can you see? Okay, I decided to use black thread in the top, and then I have the white Washaway thread is in the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and stitch one little straight basting stitch. So this is what I have so far. This is the basting. Get this focus right. Okay, oops, sorry. This is the basting stitch that I have. This is actually a knit, and the other side, the top side, is all black, so it's probably hard to see, but this is the Washaway thread. So let's take this to the ironing board and let's see what happens. All right, I will be right back. Okay, so I am at my ironing board. I have my piece of fabric that I sewed the basting stitch down. And what I'm going to do is cut this in half just because I want to try one side with the water and one side with the iron and see what happens. Okay, actually I might cut it another time because I want to try it with the steam from an iron and then water from a water bottle. Okay, so this is the first piece, and this one I am just going to steam with the iron and let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm putting it down and I am steaming. It's still there. Nothing happened and it didn't go away. I don't know if I'm doing it wrong. Let's try it again. Nope, nothing happened, still there. Okay, so that's with the steam. Didn't work. Let me do it now with the a spray bottle. So let me find my spray bottle. It's over here. Sorry, let me go grab it. So I'm going to take the piece of fabric and I'm going to spray it. Oh, now that works. Look at that. It disappeared. Now that is really cool. Okay, so it worked. It's going away, and I'm sure when you wash it and put it in the machine, it will go away even more. Okay, so I'm all right with that. It may not have done what it said it would do as far as the steaming. Well, at least it didn't do it on this knit fabric, but you know, perhaps it would do it if I had cotton or maybe something that wasn't as heavy. And I don't have any cotton, lightweight cotton here to try this on. But it worked in the knit. I mean, it is like gone. I don't really see anything there. The back side I could see, but all the way went away. So that is pretty cool. I liked it. I will try it again and maybe I'll update and just let you guys, oh, let me put the camera on me, sorry. 1 second. Okay, so as I was saying, I really like the way that the thread washed away when I put the water on it. It didn't really do too much when I put the steam on it from the iron, but I'm still happy with it. I really like it, and I will be using that, so that will be helpful. I'm about to end the video, and as always, I like to leave you with a love share. So my love share today is regarding dogs. So in the city of Plano, Texas, they have a new movie theater called the K9 Cinema, and it is a dog-friendly movie theater. So it's a movie theater where you can actually take your pet with you while you watch a movie. So I thought that that was very interesting, something new, and if you live in the area, maybe you want to take advantage of that and take your animal or your pet to the movie theater with you. So that's my love share for today. That's my video. Thank you all so much for watching. And I did want to mention that I have been watching some of these sewing favorites tags, and it just excites me to see other YouTubers getting involved in the sewing tag, and it's so fun to listen to your favorites, and I really enjoy doing that and learning more about each of you that have already participated. And I just want to say again, thank you so much. Thank you for all my new subscribers. I'm so excited. And that's all that I have for you today, and I will see you next time.